IBM courses on Coursera are among the most popular career certificates for people looking to break into tech. But with so many options available, which IBM courses are actually worth your time? In this video, I'll explain the 3 best IBM certificates based on popularity, learner ratings, industry recognition, and career value. If you decide to enroll, there's a link in the description that gives you the current discount on Coursera Plus. It's the most affordable way to access these IBM certificates and thousands of other programs. Let's start with number 3, the IBM AI Developer Professional Certificate. This program is perfect if you want to build AI-powered applications. You'll learn Python, prompt engineering, generative AI, Flask, and how to create AI chatbots and web apps. It has earned excellent learner ratings and has attracted more than 80,000 reviews. Since AI is one of the fastest-growing industries today, this certificate is a strong choice for future-focused learners. At number 2 is the IBM Data Analyst Professional Certificate. This beginner-friendly program teaches Excel, SQL, Python, dashboards, data visualization, and business analytics. It has a 4.6-star rating with nearly 100,000 learner reviews. It's one of IBM's most popular certificates and is widely recognized for helping beginners develop practical job-ready data analytics skills. Taking the top spot is the IBM Generative AI Engineering Professional Certificate. This is one of IBM's newest flagship AI programs. It holds an impressive 4.7-star rating with more than 100,000 learner reviews. You'll learn prompt engineering, large language models, LangChain, retrieval augmented generation, vector databases, and modern AI development techniques. If your goal is to build advanced AI skills, this is one of the strongest certifications currently available on Coursera. The best part is that all 3 certificates are included with Coursera Plus. Buying each certificate separately can become expensive, especially if you plan to complete more than one program. That's why Coursera Plus is usually the better investment. Right now, the annual Coursera Plus plan is 40% off. It's just $239 for the year, or less than $20 per month. You get access to more than 10,000 courses, professional certificates, specializations, and guided projects from top universities. If you're ready to start learning while the 40% discount is available, check the link in the description to get the discounted Coursera Plus annual plan before the offer ends.